Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro to an Android device. Firstly, you need to locate and open App Gallery on HUAWEI and Play Store on an Android. Then click on the search bars on both and type in Send Anywhere. Now you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now on HUAWEI, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and then allow. Following that, you need to open your app on an Android and do exactly the same. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. On an Android though, you need to choose Not Now over here if you wish to, and then close this pop-up by selecting OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your HUAWEI and Receive at the bottom of your Android. Finally, you need to click on all of those type of dots from all of those categories, and when you're ready, choose Send, next select it. This way you will choose all of those files and then send them. It will take a long time to do it right now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send over here, and then tap on Got it. Now on an Android, click on the best option for you. I will go with No Thanks and choose Close this window. As you can see, finally, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon here, choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at the code, or we can just input this key over here instead and tap on Receive button. Now, after a while, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!